Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Skate4 error code 480232561. The error message reads, "Unspecified error occurred." This error occurs when players try to start the game but are unable to get past the main menu. Many users reported that after the loading screen and configuration, the error pops up, preventing them from playing. According to our research, this issue is often caused by account linkage problems between EA and the console account. In some cases, the error may also be server-related. First, check your EA account linkage. Make sure your PlayStation or Xbox account is linked to the correct EA account that you used to sign up for the playtest. If you have multiple EA accounts, you may need to unlink from an old account and link your console to the correct one. To check or change your linked accounts, go to EA account settings and connect your console account to the right EA profile. If you only have one EA account, simply verifying the linkage should resolve the issue. If your accounts are correctly linked, but the error still comes up, the issue is likely server-related. So wait for a few hours and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.